In this video, I'll show you how to watch Firestick on Windows laptop, and at the end I will also show a cute picture of my dog. Step 1. Gather required equipment. You need a Fire TV stick, USB HDMI video capture device, available online for under $20, a power adapter for Firestick, a Windows laptop, Windows 10 or 11, and OBS Studio, a free software for viewing HDMI input. Step 2. Physical connection. Plug a Fire Stick into the HDMI port of the HDMI capture device. Connect Fire Stick's power adapter to a wall outlet. Connect your capture device's USB to the laptop's USB port. Step 3. Install OBS Studio. Download OBS Studio from obsproject.com and install on your laptop. Run OBS Studio after installation. Step 4. Add video source. Open OBS Studio, then click the plus button in bottom sources panel and select video capture device. Name the source Firestick, then select USB video or an equivalent as the device. Click OK and the Firestick screen should appear in the OBS window. Step 5. Use Firestick on laptop. Right-click Firestick Video in OBS, select Full Screen Projector Preview, and then choose your laptop display. You can now use the Firestick remote to interact with content, view full screen, and optionally record the session. Now, step 6, troubleshooting and some alternatives. If your device isn't detected, check USB drivers and your settings. Alternatively, you can cast or mirror your PC screen to Firestick using AirScreen or mirroring mode. Then search for AirScreen on the Firestick store. So that's also a way. And that is how you watch Firestick on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. Here's a nice picture of my dog. He is very cute. Bye.